Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Happy Wednesday. We are halfway through the week. How exciting is that? These days seem to be flying by for me. I don't know how you feel about that, but for me, they seem to be going by so fast. So let's go ahead and start our review video for today, okay? So who remembers what month it is? Who remembers? It starts with a J. It's June, very good. And I just said it was Wednesday. We're in the very middle of our school week. And now we need to figure out what number comes after 8 so we know what day today is. Let's count from 1 and see if we can figure it out together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Today is the 9th. So today is Wednesday, June 9th, 2021. Very good. All right, so for today's math review, we are going to be doing some more adding, okay? Which you guys are so good at. So I know that this is going to be nice and easy for you guys. All right, so the first one, it says, directions. Add by counting the dots on both sides of each domino. Then write the equation. So it's just like what we did yesterday. Let me get my color out. So we're going to count the spots on this side. 1, 2. And we're going to write the 2 down here. And how many dots are on this side? 1. So we're going to put a 1. And then 2 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put a 3 on this line. Okay, we'll do one more together. First, we count this side. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to write a 3. And then we count this side. 1, 2. And then we have 3 plus 2 equals, let's do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It equals 5, so we're going to put a 5 on this side. Okay, so you keep going with that worksheet, okay? Keep doing your adding. And then when you get to this worksheet, we're going to do the exact same thing, only instead of domino, it's dice. So we're going to count this dice, 1, 2, 3, and write it on the line. And then we're going to count this dice, 1, and write it on the line. And then we are going to add them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, and write it on the line. We'll do one more together. First, we count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to put a 5, and then we're going to count this side. 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3 equals, we need to count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8. Perfect. Okay, so you keep going with those sheets, okay? I know you know how to do those. You guys were all so good at them in the classroom, okay? So you keep going on those, all right? And then for language, we are going to be building some words. This might be tricky, so it's okay to ask for help. So what we're going to do is we're going to unscramble these letters so that way we can build the word. And the picture is a hint as to what word we need to spell. So this is a picture of a pot. I see the letters O, T, and P. What letter does pot start with? P. It starts with a P, so we're going to put P first. And what do we hear as the last sound? Pot. Pot. Is it the O or T? The T. And then that means the only letter that's left is the O, so it must go in the middle. And that is how we spell pot. Okay, let's do another one. This is a hat. We have A, H, and T. What does hat start with? Huh. It starts with the H. Good. We can cross off the letters after we use them if you want. And what is the last sound that we hear in hat? Hat. The T, you're right. And then we only have one letter left, which must be the A. At. And now we just spelled the word hat. Look at that. Let's do another one. This is pointing to this person's leg. So, what letter does leg start with? Is it an O-L, a G, or a E? Leg. It starts with an L. You got it. And then what sound do we hear last? Leg. Do you think it's the G or the E? Leg. G. The G. Good. So we've used the G and the L, which means the E must go in the middle. So let's put it in the middle. And there we go. We just spelled leg. Perfect. All right, this is a cup. So what sound or letter does cup start with? K. Is it the P, the C, or the U? K, k. The C, you got it. And then cup ends with what sound? Cup. P. What letter makes that sound? P. The P, excellent. So we're gonna put a P at the end. And then that means the U must go in the middle. K, ah, ah. Perfect, we just spelled cup. See, you guys are spelling. So I want you to continue with zip, tag, hen, and fin. It's pointing to his fin at the top, okay? You keep going with those. And then we have some more that we're going to do, okay? So this one is a pen. Pen. What letter does pen start with? P. The P, yes. So we're going to put the P first. All right, and then what sound or what letter does pen finish with? Pen. N. Is it the E or the N? It's the N. So that means the E goes in the middle and we just spelled the word pen. Very good. Now this is a bunny and he's hopping, so we need to spell the word hop. So tell me, H, P, and O, what letter is the first letter in the word hop? Hop. What do you think? The H, very good. And what is the last letter in hop? Hop. The P, yeah, you got it. Which means the O goes in the middle. You can hear it. Up. Good job. So now you get to keep going. Okay, I want you to do dig. I want you to do rat, sun, lid. This one's pointing to the lid. Can, and log. Okay, try to figure out the first sound, then the last sound, and then you can place the last letter in the middle. Okay? And that's all of our review for today, okay? Some adding and some spelling. I think that's excellent. So you get through that and then you can be finished for the day. Remember, we have Raz Kids and I Know It. The subscriptions are still going, so feel free to check those out whenever you can. And we also have Seesaw, which I post activities on daily, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know. And I will see you guys tomorrow for Thursday's video. Bye, everybody.